Hi, this is Real World Audio, and I'm presenting you the mystery box. And it's under cover, literally. It's under the two covers of albums, and I'm not giving you too much hint what is inside. I tell you the box's weight. It's about 18 pounds or 8.9 kilograms, something around that range. And it contains something that me as an audiophile I have been looking forward to have for the past 20 years. So this contains a secret sauce that I've been looking forward as an audiophile the most in my entire lifetime. And it's also the reason why I haven't posted anything about music, anything in my Music Corner series, nothing about Bach, nothing about Baroque music, no early music, nothing. But it's going to change because there is something in this box that is tremendous. And I am not going to unbox it right now. I think it's really cheesy when you see people like opening up boxes, whatnot. I won't take up your time with that. However, please in the comments, just give your thoughts. What do you think is contained within this mystery box? And then tomorrow I will show you what is inside, and I will tell you why this is the very thing that I have been looking forward the most in the past, well, more than 20 years. I would say almost 25 years. So thank you for tuning in, and I'm curious, what do you think is within this mystery box?